Okay guys, and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to review these eBay DEPO E92 LCI taillights. So if your E92 is pre-LCI, it will go from looking like this to this. To be completely honest, I actually really like the look of pre-LCI E92 taillights. The little reverse light, it actually kind of lines up with some of the other lines on the car when you're looking at it from a profile. So anyways, mine were cracked and some water was getting in and they're starting to look bad. But I wanted them to look brand new, and since the OEM ones are pretty expensive, I decided to go with these DEPO brand eBay E92 LCI taillights that a lot of people have been talking about, and then give you guys my honest opinion on them and show you how to install them. So I've had them on the car for about 9 months, and if I didn't know otherwise, I wouldn't guess that they were aftermarket. They look great, and they look exactly like the original ones. Build quality is good. The pricing was fair for all 4 of them. The packaging was good. Nothing was damaged when I got it. Everything was securely packaged. And the fitment was good, everything. The only minor complaint I have with them is they have these boxes on the harnesses. I don't really know what they do, but it's for just to make it plug and play, I assume. It's not really an issue because it's behind the trim, but that's the only thing that's not really OEM about it. But it includes a few options to mount them out of the way and behind the trim, so it's not really a big deal. Like I said, I've been using them for 9 months and have had 0 issues, and I think that they look good. They're about $400 shipped, and if you are interested, I do have the link in the description below. They are affiliate links and it helps support the channel. I appreciate it. But anyways, the rest of the video is just showing how to install them if you don't know already. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks. I'll do the inner ones first. You have to remove this fabric cover thing here, and there's gonna be a bunch of these pop snap things, which pretty much you just get a trim tool and you get it underneath. Once it's up enough, they look like this. A piece like this, and then a pin that goes through it. So there is 2 extra little pins in the handles, which I didn't know at first. So now you just gotta disconnect this trunk latch, and to do that, press this forward and then pull the little thing. It's a 10mm in there. So then this little piece comes out. Then the inner light comes out from the other side. Now here's the cable right here. You just push the tab in and then it comes out. Just gonna clean it up a little bit. Here's the DEPOs. They're wrapped pretty nicely, and they look nice too. So then after cleaning it up a little bit, new ones, they go in the exact same way. Cable in. Make sure this the lip on the bottom is over the trunk, which is gonna be kind of tough. Oh, yeah. So you you lift the back side, get it under, and then press it in. And then with this retainer piece, you want to make sure that these grooves, these slots, are lined up with the slots inside the trunk. Face it this way. And you want it to touch both sides of the trunk. That way it retains the light and pulls it down. So this is what it should look like. And the screw should bottom out. It doesn't have to be too tight, because remember, this is all plastic, but it should be bottomed into these little grooves. And yeah, that looks good. Yeah, pretty much until you feel the screw tighten to where it feels like it doesn't want to move anymore. Like, you don't gotta torque them down, because you just need enough to hold a weather seal pretty much. Because remember, they're just plastic, you don't want to spin them. You just have to remove this battery cover. You turn this, and it just comes right out. On the other side, you just pull this piece out, and as you can see, there's just 3 screws, and you're gonna need a deep socket 8. You'll notice there's a lot more with the new outer taillights. Just different boxes that, I don't know, allow it all to work. I don't exactly know. But they come with 3M tape so you can mount it and have them not just dangling around. Reassembly is the same. This is how I arranged the wire boxes. I don't care a ton because it's behind trim. I got the main plug just kind of hanging on the wire. But these are stuck here, and I got the cables tucked under. So it's out of the way in case I ever have to change the battery anytime soon. Yeah, so this side doesn't fit as well. So I'm kind of thinking just gonna pretend that it does. There. Out of sight, out of mind. To reinstall, you just take this, you press it in, and you take this, and you press it in. Looks real nice.